We made it to the Oregon coast. It's exciting. So we're on the coast. We're near Florence. We're just south of Florence, and we're on the Siuslaw River South Jetty. And we're looking at the tides, and it's low tides right now. So we thought we'd try razor clamming. Now, parts of the Oregon coast are closed for razor clamming, but it opens here and south. So we've never clammed down here for razors. Well, for anything for that matter.
Never been here.
Yeah. So
just watching someone that drove down a road they shouldn't have. No.
Yeah, someone got stuck. So we don't really know where to go. We're just gonna take our gear and hump it up over this dune.
I'm gonna hump it over the dune and
see if we see anybody else, you know. If somebody else is maybe digging, we'll just go. Not get too close, but close enough to maybe find something.
If not, the low tide in Newport tomorrow morning, we can't do razors,
Yeah.
but we could go down by the bridge and get some of those great big giant softball size gaper clams.
Make chowder.
Make some chowder and some clam strips, some fritters.
Now, by gear, I mean we have a collapsible camping shovel and a collapsible bucket. Isn't that what we have on board? Yeah, so we usually keep clamming stuff at my mom's in Newport, but we haven't made it that far north yet, so we're just gonna...
Hey, they're getting out.
Oh, they got out. Dang it. I mean, thank goodness, but looks like it was an adventure. All right, let's grab our gear.
He's got
and...
waders on, so he was probably on there clamming.
Oh, maybe. Or planning on it. We gotta scope this out.
It might be a long walk.
Wish us luck.
Okay.
I think we see clammers out here. Maybe. There's like 6 people out here. Whew, dang, it's cold.
Welcome home, baby.
Well, it didn't work out, but you know what? It wasn't a total loss. It was a nice brisk walk on the beach.
That's the thing, is so many times in the past, sometimes you just don't do something because you don't think it's going to work out, or sometimes you just go for it. What's the worst going to happen?
What's that one quote from that song that I love? Nobody wins afraid of losing. I love it.
Yeah.
So true.
Worst thing that happened is we had an exhilarating walk on the beach.
Yeah.
Together.
Yeah.
Did a little workout.
I got some hot coffee now. I think I was holding the camera crooked. That's
I got the old man in the sea look going.
Yes.
Nice. I actually have been on this Siuslaw River before. When I was in the Coast Guard, must have been 84, 85. One of our motor lifeboats from Newport Station was down here, and me and a boat crew came down and took the 44-footer from here back up the coast to Newport.
Fun. I don't want to be distracted, but I am. I want to point out that they have clams in their bag.
Just little cockles though.
Okay, and there were a few other people out there razor clamming, and their bags were also empty. So either we were in the wrong place because nobody was getting razors, or we were in the right place, just no razors.
Well, they were out in the water area.
Yeah, they were
boots on,
in a different spot.
And I don't care for those. I mean, there's so much work to get those cockles for so little meat. I like going for the gapers and the razors.
Yeah, so how about this? Low tides tomorrow. We head under the Yaquina Bay Bridge in Newport and get some gapers and make some chowder.
Chowder.
Since we were skunked today.
Well, the clamming bed here is like this.
Tiny.
It's like 100 feet by 100 feet.
But also, we don't even know. There may be more beds up and down this jetty. We don't know. This may require more research, and we're just not accustomed to doing that. So, should we head up the coast?
Let's go somewhere where we know what we're doing.
That would be nowhere.
Newport, I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Kinda.
This girl knows what she's doing. She's an expert in all things sleeping. North we go. Under the Aquina Bay Bridge today, Newport, Oregon, and what are we doing? I'm with my nephew Grayson, my brother Randy. Dave's out here already getting going, but what's the plan of attack today?
We're clamming for gapers.
Yes, so razor clamming is closed this far north, but we are looking for gapers this time. Those are the long horse neck looking things, so wish us luck.
And it's low tide, so we hopefully will be able to find some.
Yep. Well, we got skunked. No clams, but we saw some awesome sea creatures.
Yeah, like sea anemones?
What?
Sand shrimp.
Sea anemones?
Sea anemones.
I can't say.
Some crabs. Some jellyfish.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Just not what we were looking for.
Yeah, what did we try to find that we didn't?
Yeah, clams.
Clams. No clams.
So before the summer's out, we will have a clam catch and cook.
Yes.
All right. See you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on.
Carry on.